Unboxing my Christmas present. So in all, we have, of course, the main show, the iPad. Then we have the Apple Pencil. Then we have the case. But first and foremost, we're going to unbox the iPad. I always wanted to do these. Like, it's so satisfying. That wasn't satisfying, but I flip it carefully. Carefully. You see the back? Whoa, that's a nice hot pink color. Is it supposed to look there? Oh no, it's not. Whoops. Look at that. Let's place it down. It's really light. Like, it's not heavy at all. It's light and everything. Let me place it on the case. Okay. We have, ooh, okay. We have all the, I think all the iPad necessities in here. No sticker? I don't think the iPad comes with stickers, but I don't care about no sticker. I care about the iPad. It comes with, ooh, a wrap charger. You see the design? The iPhones don't come with the blocks. They just come with the wire. But this comes with it too. Next, we're going to unbox the case, because I think that's the most important. We gotta put some protection on this thing. What's this? I think it's pink too, pretty sure. Yes. It's a nice purplish pink. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Now, how do I put this on here? What is this, paper? Wait, do I put it like this or the... You recording? This is the case. And I think you can do something on the back, but oh, what is this? You can. Now it's time for the pen. Yeah, I don't know how to do this. Probably some manual. Yeah, just gonna figure out myself. But here's the pen. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh. I'm gonna be using this pencil. well, that's my unboxing video. I'm very thankful and grateful that I got this. You don't have to give me nothing else. I'm set. I got my iPad. Oh my gosh. Bye, guys.